Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're actually going to be testing the Remington adjustable waiver. To my channel guys, my name is Michelle and my passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and review to help you enhance your beauty and also to save some money. So if you are actually enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. I really appreciate all your support guys. So if you guys are looking for a new hair tool, or if you just simply wanted to find out if this Remington adjustable waiver is actually worth to get it or not, in that way you'll be able to save some money, please keep on watching. And here guys is the Remington adjustable waiver. I've actually received this as one of my Christmas presents guys. So this is actually retail from Amazon Australia. It's retail for $79.95, and if you're in New Zealand guys, you can actually find this from JB Hi-Fi or from Farmers. And if you're actually from the Philippines, it's actually you can actually purchase this from Shopee. Unfortunately, this is no longer available in the US guys. So in the box guys, you actually get four different waves guys, and on the back also shows you the parts of the hair tool guys. So come in a manual guys, so shows you the parts of the hair tool. It's got your different style that you want to go. Got the instructions on the other page, and then on the bottom guys, on this side here, it also tells guidelines for you for what temperature you're gonna be using it for depending on your hair type. Okay, this is the actual hair tool guys. Weight guys, it's actually not too heavy, not too light guys, so it's just the right weight to use it for your hair. In here's actually got the lock and unlock button. So at the moment it's actually locked, and then when I press it on the bottom, because it's got a picture in there, so that's the lock button and that's the unlock. So when I press it down, it actually unlocks. So that's how it looks like guys. And then on the side here guys, it's actually showing you that's the power. The one on the bottom is your power button. So this is the up and down temperature. And also right on the front, it's got your LCD, so it's showing there that the power is on when you turn it on, and it also got all your temperatures here. I've got like a thick hair really, so I'm gonna have to go with a 210 degrees centigrade. I mean, if you just want to go with Pro, which is the 295 degrees Celsius, which has got your normal and healthy hair. Here the hottest temperature should only be used by experienced stylers. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna like burn myself. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and use a heat protector my hair. I'm gonna go and section my hair first. Dial, so you pull it out, so you actually pull it out and then twist it. Probably gonna try to see, because it's a little bit thick, the side of my hair. It's really nice, guys. So I've used like the that middle barrels actually up, so as you can see, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, look what my hair is. Yeah, I really like using this tool, guys. So when you're turning it off, you just have to press down the power button, so it's off, and then I'll just lock it up. Go. I have to try more of the different types of waves, guys. So far so good. I actually like how my hair actually turned out, and this is actually a thumbs up for me, guys. Oh, it's easy to use, and it's also does the job. And the other thing too, it's affordable. Also, if you've got a hair length like me or a little bit shorter, you know, if you're looking for a new hair tool, I highly recommend it for you guys to try this if you haven't tried it yet. Hope I've actually did help you out today, guys. And please comment down below, guys, if you used this hair tool before, and please let me know what your thoughts are. And please leave me a comment down below too what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.